All right, YouTubes. Man, we're doomed on this gasoline price. There's some soy boy that was right in front of me at line at the 7-Eleven. I was grabbing me one of them sugar-free Red Bulls, and that little dweeb was checking pricing on all that vape crap. The battery, the vape pen, the cartridges. Homeboy shelled out like 50 bucks for a battery, a pen, and some cartridges to smoke some vape cigarette crap. And he's probably using mom and dad's credit card. So, dude, yeah. That little shitbag doesn't care how much gasoline costs or anything. World of soy. My goodness. Let's get you out here for another coil change out video. I got the GoPro charging up. We'll see if we can strap it to my head and get a different perspective than the last coil change out video. Let's get out there. Oh, another bone. Boned by Boney Maroney, but let's get a bunch of stuff up to the roof. We're gonna get up there on that little roof. And I lubed my door so good, look, self-closing doors. I'm gonna grab a bunch of this stuff, recovery, and we'll get all this up on the roof up there, and then we'll check back in with you. Look, Wrench Kit Pro. All right, this is our little condensing unit. I got the lid off. So far I got the vacuum pump up here. I'm gonna grab the recovery. Probably grab my little jumper suicide cord, scat power. And I'm gonna recover the gas out of this first. Had some great questions on the last video. Is how come I didn't pull a vacuum on the recovery tank? And a couple of you guys saw that part. I usually don't pull a vacuum on a brand new recovery tank if I'm not reusing the gas. So I knew I was gonna put a fresh charge in that other unit. I'm also gonna put a fresh charge in this unit too. Because these units are leakers, so the theory is that the refrigerant fractionates, right? So when I do the changeouts, I like to put a fresh charge in there. Whether how much I believe in the fractionation or how bad the mixture is of the gas, I honestly don't know. Just play it safe and put a fresh charge in. It's part of the bid, and then I'll just put fresh gas in. And then that's it about on that. Let's get some gear going here. All right, I scat power off the swamp cooler. It's weird in my town. Sometimes they hook the water up, sometimes not. It looks like they did hook it up on this one, so that's good. We got a party up here. We got recovery, we got vacuum pump, we got nitrogen tools. We're gonna swap out the dryer because we're gonna change the evaporator coil out. And let's get this dude going. All right, YouTube magic. We're all recovered. I got the dryer out. I'm gonna leave that open like that. And we're gonna go rip out that evaporator coil. I'm gonna take this stuff down because I'm done with it for now. I'll leave Tippy up top and I'll use the other tool bag for downstairs. A little workstation right here. Tools and stuff. There's my little box right here. This coil's coming out. I'm trying to remember how we did it. Super easy. Mindset comes around like that. Breaker panels over here. Locking box. Yep, all tied together on a 2-pole. All right, time for fun. All right, let's do this. condensate drainage right here. Let's see. I'm gonna get these two panels off. Is the next move. Alright, we're not gonna need that time clock anymore because the new thermostat has defrost built into it. Not gonna need that. So that'll be good. Like I said in my other video, just get the back ones loose. You don't have to take them out. Get them loose. Take the front ones out. There, you get the front ones out. Then you can slide the coil to you. You get the coil to you, get it out of here. This is just a little 4000 BTU coil, little guy. I put my garbage over here for right now. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Hammer time. Jeez. This is done. This is done for. All right, let me tidy up some piping and stuff in there before we hang the new one. I did some prep on the pipe. I don't need the rubber gloves anymore. Good time to do a little house cleaning on top. A little tidy up. The halfway point. New coil. Get her ready to go in there. Let me take the covers off and we'll start rehooking this little dude up. Kind of looks nice with the plastic sides. Just got it, everything's hooked up. Just got the thermostat programmed. It's going to do its ASD. We got low fan speed. When it calls for cool, it will jump to high fan speed. I got to get up on the roof, change the dryer and do my nitrogen test, and then pull a vacuum and then recharge. Alright, I got my pressure test going. It's been a while since I've done a flare dryer. Check my flare nuts. I'm gonna check that too. I think that packing stem on that thing leaks. Just make sure I didn't disturb too much. It looks like I got my flares good for my dryer. Whew, man, been a while. Vacuum time. Oil's looking good still. I got the ballast open because we just blew out all the nitro. That's why you're seeing the smoke come out. And we'll let this rip. And then see how she does. All right, so if you changed out some evaporator coils recently or installed new condensing units, I think I've talked about this in the past. I don't think these companies are sending these units out to us pressure tested with dry nitrogen in them anymore. I think they're using compressed air. That's a money savings thing. If I work on a lot of air compressors at my day job, so if you know anything about compressed air compressors make moisture. Even if you have your air dryer and your air dryer is working good, compressed air is going to condensate and have moisture in it. So every time I do a coil change out or a new condensing unit, it doesn't take long for my oil to go crappy on my vacuum pump. And I've been noticing that more and more. I'd like to get your guys' thoughts on that. Leave a comment below if you think the new condensers and new evaporators are being shipped with compressed air and not nitrogen anymore like the old days. You know, refrigeration is supposed to be dry nitrogen, right? So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And we'll keep carrying on with this coil change out job here. All right, I got a little bit of gas in there to get her to run. And the box is at 51 degrees. And we're like 147, 26, almost a 30-degree evaporator. That's what I would expect with the box being warm from me having it off. So it looks good so far. I'm gonna let it run for a bit before I add more gas to it. It's probably really close to a full charge right here. And it needs to run, the box needs to pull down, and then the H.V.A.C throttle down. So we'll let this run for a bit here. Yeah, there it is. That's what I'm talking about. We're all charged up, back up and running. And 47, we're on our way. We are on our way. Oh man. On our way on a nice hot day. Like the beach is right down the street there. Everyone goes down to the beach and oh yeah, I think there's a freaking Starbucks right there. Yeah, there is. That coffee sucks. All right, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I got a coil and a condensing unit to change out, and I'll try and do a better job filming. I had to get that thing cooling. Everybody is hypersensitive right now about their product temperature. So, and I understand, and I totally like it because they're concerned about their customers' well-being, and I enjoy that. And I think that's very responsible. And it just makes it a little bit harder to film. That's all. Summer of the coil continues. What time? Oh, 6 p.m. Just getting done. Let's clean the lens. 6 p.m. Just getting done. Plenty of sunlight left if you need to go play or walk the dog or whatever. Let's rock and roll. So the wife tells the husband, I got blisters from using the broom all day. And the husband goes, next time use the car.